Understanding percentages. Making sense of fractions. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to tackle an important aspect of English language learning that intersects with mathematics: percentages. Specifically, we'll focus on understanding percentage as a fraction. So, are you ready to unravel this exciting topic? Let's jump right in. A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. The term comes from the Latin percentum, which means by the hundred. In English, the symbol percent is used to denote percentages. For instance, 50% can be thought of as 50 parts out of a total 100. How do we convert percentages into fractions, you may ask? It's quite simple. First, consider the percentage as the numerator, the top number in a fraction. Then, make the denominator, the bottom number, 100. So, if we have 25%, it would convert to a fraction as follows. 25, the numerator, over 100, the denominator, or 25 100ths. Once you have a fraction, you can simplify it. Let's go back to our example of 25 100ths. You simplify a fraction by finding a number that can divide both the numerator and denominator. Here, the number 25 can divide both 25 and 100. So when you divide 25 by 25, you get 1. And when you divide 100 by 25, you get 4. Hence, 25 100ths simplifies to 1/4. Remember, this fraction and the percentage it came from are equivalent. They mean the same thing. So, 25% is equal to 1/4. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope this video has shed some light on understanding percentages as fractions. Percentages are everywhere in our day-to-day life, so being able to interpret and calculate them is a useful skill to have. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any concept, so try out some exercises on your own to reinforce your learning. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.